WeSkate E200 electric skateboard, 350W hub motor, 12 MPH top speed, wireless remote-controlled skateboards, portably skateboard. Long-lasting battery. The motorized skateboard is equipped with a 29.4V lithium-ion battery pack which can be fully charged within 2 hours, ready to travel up to 6 miles with a max speed of 12 miles per hour. Solid construction. WeSkate 7-ply Canadian hard rock maple features good split resistance and deformation resistance, with 7351mm durable polyurethane wheels. Solid steel alloy trucks can support up to 260 pounds max load. Wireless remote control, equipped with 3 modes, low speed and medium speed and high speed with battery display, and features a reversible riding option. Easy to switch forward-backward when you need change directions. Portable and light, weighing only 8.5 pounds, our lightweight cruiser skateboards are easy to carry at school, work, and home for riders, kids and adults. Great for adults and kids, adjustable speed modes and a 260 pounds weight capacity make this board suitable for skaters of any age. Now buy it as a birthday gift or holiday present for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.